Welcome to my channel, where today we uncover one of the rarest, boldest, and most extravagant creations in the world of motorhomes, the 2025 Bugatti Veyron RV. Imagine the legendary Bugatti Veyron, a hypercar known for speed, prestige, and unmatched luxury, reimagined into a jaw-dropping $10 million motorhome. This isn't just about traveling the road. This is about redefining road luxury itself. The Bugatti Veyron RV is the perfect fusion of engineering brilliance, futuristic design, and limitless comfort. From its sleek aerodynamic exterior with signature Bugatti styling to its futuristic interiors lined with cutting-edge technology, this motorhome sets a new standard that no other vehicle dares to match. Today, I'll take you inside this masterpiece to explore its kitchen, bedroom, drawing room, bathroom, and finally, why the 2026 Bugatti Veyron RV is already the most trending motorhome in the world. Let's begin with the kitchen, a space designed for those who demand perfection in every detail. The Bugatti Veyron RV kitchen is not just functional. It's a gourmet dream crafted with luxury in mind. It features a futuristic induction cooking system paired with AI-assisted smart ovens that adjust cooking times automatically. The full-sized refrigerator is wrapped in carbon fiber panels, keeping the Bugatti aesthetic intact while storing everything you could ever need. Marble countertops glow with subtle LED underlighting, giving the kitchen a modern, almost spaceship-like appeal. A deep sink with a sensor-activated faucet, built-in espresso machine, and even a climate-controlled wine cooler make dining inside this RV feel like you're inside a Michelin star restaurant. With smart storage solutions hidden within sleek cabinetry, this kitchen takes road dining to a whole new level. Now step into the bedroom, which feels more like a royal suite than part of a vehicle. The Bugatti Veyron RV bedroom offers a king-sized floating bed with adaptive memory foam that adjusts firmness depending on your sleep position. The walls are finished with leather and polished wood, infused with ambient mood lighting controlled through voice command. At the foot of the bed, a retractable 8K OLED screen emerges, giving you theater-like entertainment from your comfort zone. Automated shades ensure complete privacy, while a custom climate system maintains the perfect temperature no matter where your adventures take you. Hidden wardrobes, luxury carpeting, and bespoke Bugatti-branded bedding ensure that every night spent here feels like a night in a penthouse suite. This is comfort, luxury, and prestige combined in one unforgettable space. The drawing room is a true centerpiece of this Bugatti Veyron RV. Designed for both relaxation and entertainment, it offers a spacious lounge with Italian leather recliners, modular seating, and retractable tables. A panoramic smart glass wall can switch between clear transparency to enjoy the outside view or darken instantly for privacy. The room is equipped with a surround sound system, holographic entertainment displays, and even a virtual reality zone for gaming or immersive movies. Guests can relax, dine, or even hold business meetings in this space that feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. With every detail carefully designed, from carbon fiber accents to gold inlaid surfaces, this drawing room is a true showcase of modern luxury meeting futuristic technology. Moving on to the bathroom, Bugatti has completely redefined what a motorhome bathroom can be. Step inside, and you'll find a rainfall shower with customizable water pressure and temperature, surrounded by walls of backlit crystal tiles. A freestanding luxury bathtub offers spa-like relaxation, while the smart mirrors provide not only reflection, but real-time weather updates, health tracking, and even virtual dressing assistance. Dual vanities are topped with polished stone and accented with gold-finished fixtures. Heated floors, a smart toilet system, and even a built-in fragrance diffuser ensure every detail of this space exudes refinement. This isn't just a bathroom, it's a spa retreat built for the road. Finally, let's talk about the 2026 Bugatti Veyron RV, the motorhome that has already taken the world by storm. With its jaw-dropping $10 million price tag, it has become the ultimate status symbol for those who demand nothing but the best. Social media platforms are buzzing with images and videos of this futuristic giant, and luxury enthusiasts worldwide are naming it the most trending motorhome of 2026. It's not just transportation, it's a moving palace, a statement of power, luxury, and innovation all in one. From performance inspired by Bugatti's hypercar DNA to interiors that rival the world's best hotels, this RV truly redefines road luxury forever. So, what do you think about the Bugatti Veyron RV? Would you take a ride in this $10 million masterpiece of engineering and elegance? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tours of the world's most luxurious motorhomes.